creative people, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. In this video, I'm gonna share this pretty henna inspired DIY with you all. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe. And now, let's get started. Tape down the paper so that it will be easy to work on it. I'm using watercolor paper here. Take any two dark shades of paint and give a nice background. With a clean damp brush, blend the colors little bit in center. Let the paint dry completely and then start doodling the henna or mehendi design with white sakura jelly roll pen. You can find the link to this pen in the description box below. When I was in high school, one thing which every girl used to learn in their vacations was henna. So was I. Comment down below if you have also learned mehendi in your vacations. It takes time to fill up the whole paper, but it's very relaxing and refreshing. If you are interested in watching more doodle or drawing videos, one of my cousins has recently started her channel related to that. I will link her channel in the description box below. Please check that out and subscribe to her channel if you like her work. Once you are done with your mehendi design, remove the tape carefully from all sides. You can also frame it and make a beautiful wall decor out of it. Now I'm trimming its plain edges using my paper cutter. You can also use scissor or any normal cutter as well. On the back side of paper, I am marking marks at every 4 centimeters and then cutting it with this paper cutter. And here are our cute and artistic bookmarks ready to rock. Punch a hole and add jute twine or any kind of lace or ribbon for adding that final touch. And we are done. I hope you liked this video. Hit that like button if you did and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. सब्सक्राइब करने से आपको नोटिफिकेशन आएगा जब भी मैं नया वीडियो डालूंगी. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.